Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install SEO Breadcrumbs with Yoast easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Next, navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New to search for new plugins. In the search bar, type Yoast SEO and hit enter. Locate the Yoast SEO plugin from the results. Click on the Install Now button next to the plugin. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate. Select Search Appearance from the drop-down menu. Click on the Breadcrumbs tab within the Search Appearance settings. You will see an option to enable breadcrumbs. Toggle the switch to Enabled. Once you enable breadcrumbs, you'll see additional configuration options. Here, you can customize how your breadcrumbs will appear. Take a moment to adjust these settings according to your preferences. Next, you need to add the breadcrumb code to your theme. Open the Appearance section in the left sidebar. Click on Theme Editor to access your theme files. Locate the file where you want your breadcrumbs to appear, typically header.php or single.php. Insert the breadcrumb code provided by Yoast SEO. The code usually looks like this: php if function_exists, Yoast_breadcrumb, Yoast_breadcrumb, circle bullet. To verify that breadcrumbs are working, visit your website's front end. Check to see if breadcrumbs display correctly on the selected pages. If they do not appear, double-check your code placement. Make any necessary adjustments and refresh your site again. Congratulations, you have successfully installed SEO Breadcrumbs with Yoast. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.